Hi, this is Paula Ram, and welcome to day 4 of Simple Hairstyles for Busy Moms. And today is a super elegant French twist. Even though it's elegant, it's pretty much my go-to hairstyle for every day. I wear it every day because it's easy to do. I can do it in seconds and get on with the day. Now for this style, you will go up 1 or 2 sizes from your base ponytail size, depending on how long your hair is. Now for me, I just go up 1 size. So my base ponytail size is a medium. So for my French twist, I use a large. Now if you have hair down to your waist, you will probably want to go up 2 sizes.
To do a French twist with a classic flexi, first you do a low ponytail, you twist up, you tuck the ends into the twist. You take your flexi and sliding the pin along the scalp, you go in on one side of the twist and come out on the other side of the twist. Then you slide that pin right through the loop for a nice secure hold that's not going anywhere. To do a French twist with a Swerve U-pin, first you gather all of your hair in a low ponytail, then you twist up, you tuck the ends into your twist. Then you take the Swerve and you start with the curve of the Swerve opposite the curve of your head. You insert it into the roll, turn, and then go along the scalp, so now it is the same curve as your head. This will give you a super secure and comfortable fit that is oh so elegant. To do a French twist with a leather 8, first you gather your hair into a low ponytail, you twist up, tuck the ends into the twist, then you take the leather looped part of the leather 8 and lay it across. Then you take a hair stick, you go in one side of the loop, along the scalp, and then out the other loop. And again, this is super secure and comfortable.